Warning, this video contains disturbing scenes of a French Canadian cursing a lot, and you might see a beer here or there, so be advised and switch to your regular viewing if you are under 18 or too soft to handle any manners not so peaceful. Let's fucking watch this shit now! Alright. It's pretty rare that I do that because I was supposed to not do any boombox anymore. I had a boombox here for a year almost a year. A guy was supposed to do the boombox with me, his boombox. I was supposed to train him to how to do his boombox, but I don't know why. He never find the time to come back and do the thing with me. And usually I don't like doing a boombox like after a year. I prefer doing it in 1 week because I remember which piece need to go where. So I might be stuck today. So that thing is empty. And this need to go back there, and I still need to do a belt and clean some part. I'm gonna try to finish it today. And today I just bought my dream vinyl machine. I like the sound. So this is a record player. Those are super rare. It's a PSF9 and I just found it today and I had a really good price and it works, kind of. I need to repair it a little bit, but it works. I'm super happy. All right, so let's try to do that boombox. Oh, and this boombox is a Lasonic TRC-931. Let's do that. Woohoo! C'est une cochonnerie. Oh fuck. Et où les petites boîtes? Ah. Tu garoches ça au bout de tes bras. Ça n'a pas de bon sens. Caliste, asti. Un asti de marde. Hey, c'est un asti de poubelle. Garbage. Une extrait de poubelle à marbre. Calisse de vidange.
T'as-tu cassé quelque chose?
Non! Oh, comment tu veux faire ça? Fuck!
Ça va bien ça?
Ah. Tu comprends? La poubelle.
Bouge
Je peux la tenir plus haut, tu vas pouvoir tout voir. Hein?
Ok, on va bonne idée. Je l'ai.
Non mais le carré, est-il à la bonne place? Il est tout là? Il est-tu dans son socket là?
je voulais pas que ce soit en français, là, mais...
That's fucking garbage! That's what I said the whole fucking time! I fucking laughed my life doing that shit! It was so funny, it's such a garbage! I never saw fucking like Boombox like garbage like that! Like, fuck! It's a garbage can! Like, throw that? Like, I said that if that fucking Boombox will be mine, I will fucking throw it in the garbage! Alright, second day, because yesterday I couldn't finish it. It was like 11:30 when I decided to quit. I was tired, and to be honest, that was my first 931 C from Lasonic, okay? And it's probably the last one. Never, ever, ever I will do another Lasonic boombox like that. It's awful. Usually, they're like boombox are not that hard, but this one was a real mess. But probably the way that I did it was worse than like if I would have like remove everything and unsolder and solder it back. I don't know. So today is the last day. I need to put the power supply back in and a couple of things and then put it back together and it's gonna be done. I'm happy. Next project, the PS-F9, yes. And oh yeah, I need to finish my octopus project. There's a lot of little project that I need to finish because we're moving pretty soon. So I need to finish all those projects pretty quick. So yeah, let's do that thing. Woohoo! Oh, and I forget, yesterday, when I was doing it, I call the thing like I talk in French because like when I'm pissed off or when I don't believe what I'm doing, I talk in French, I think in French, and I call the thing a piece of garbage. And I filmed the whole thing. I was laughing so loud. Oh, it was so funny because like I couldn't believe how hard it was to put that like everything back in that thing. It was the first time on all the boombox that I did. The Lasonic, it was the worst that I ever done. And if I have to redo another one, which never gonna happen, it will need to be given for me for free. Otherwise, I will never do it. Even if I find one on the like for $50, never gonna buy another Lasonic in my life. Pain in the ass, trouble. Everything is horrible. The only thing that was super easy and super fast was changing the belt. But one of the belts that I bought was not the good size, so I couldn't do it. So I did only the second deck, which is the best deck of that boombox. But hey, Chris, you waited, Chris, you waited the whole winter. But now, it's done. I need to leave, and you waited too long, so you're gonna have a boombox halfway finished. That's the price to pay. So let's do that thing. Woohoo! So one thing to point is like everything that I do right now and everything that I did in the past had the chance to take picture before doing it. So now I know where parts need to go. So I always take tons of picture, tons. This case was only 13 because I was supposed to finish the project the same week. So usually in the same week, I always remember where things need to go. So now we're super close to be finished and to test it out before finishing the front and putting back all the buttons and gluing back the front sticker, should I say, whatever. So there you go, it's almost done. All right, so everything could go wrong from this point. I just finished soldering like the power supply and everything. Everything seems to be cool, but like it's time to play the cassette and to see if it works. So if something go wrong, can be gonna be a pain. I'm gonna put a little button here so I can turn it over. We gotta try the tape, all right? Because this is an important thing, so only the bottom can work. I'm gonna plug it. Hope it's not gonna burn in my face. Nothing. Aha. All right. So the AC button on the back was not on, so now it's on. So second time. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it lit up. Okay, I can hear something. Woohoo! Yay! So now the cassette. That's it! Woohoo!
So for now, yeah, sure. You can play my LP on your CD-ROM. www.malik.com. You know Malik. Ladies, if you want a real sexy man, look at this brother on stage and understand that there's nobody out who can rock like me. I got a bald head and a fresh goatee. You wanna get down, check out the guy too. I'm singing funky rhymes to all the ghetto youth. They say you're Malik, make another song, 'cause you've been gone for 3 years and that's too long.
Woohoo! The shit works! It's done! That's perfect!